Yeah.
Yeah,
Look at that.
look.
That's probably what, there's a smell, right?
Yeah, that's not because of the oil stuff.
Just want to make sure it matches the new one. Oh yeah, same.
Yes, same. Yeah.
But you can feel it's stiffer.
Yeah,
This one,
it's better.
look, it's hard.
Yeah, it's hard.
This one is soft.
Yeah, look, so in the side it's soft. Look,
Yeah.
it's already gone. The
It was
side.
like, was it like up like this
Yeah,
or
not
the
this
other?
one, this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the airflow
Yeah.
into the cabin. Okay.
Yeah, it's easy to put. Like you just pop up over.
Yeah. Yeah, right? Compared to the Nissan?
Nissan. Yeah.
Boom. There. Airflow down. Shows on there. Airflow down. Premium. That's it. Yeah, so easy on this one.
Yeah, that one is easy. It's just,
Compared to the other one.
yeah, that's a push.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, it's easy to.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah,